Alright, so we've got a home inspector had an issue or a question with a house here in a neighborhood full of brand new houses. And oops, boy, look at that. I mean, that right there is okay for a brand new house. Jeez, that is ridiculous. Those are the reasons why I don't think trains should sell to these huge house builder outfits. They just do terrible work. And when they start having trouble, the neighbors all talk, these trains, we're having trouble out of our train. Nothing to do with the manufacturer. These ridiculous low quality installations, but let's take a look. All right. We can see at first glance what kind of job this is. Look at that line set. Just looping out into the air for nothing. Ridiculous looking T-shaped ductboard supply plenum. 2 8s, 3 6s. No, I'm sorry. That is a 10. 3 6s, 1 8, and another 10. And a single 14-inch return coming in. Nothing in the back. So why in the world they just swung out into the room like that? But they know people are going to use this room for storage. And one day somebody's going to hook their golf clubs on that when they're walking in and out or whatever they're doing. And yank loose a piece of the aluminum piping in the coil. Who knows what would happen? That's just terrible. And this is exactly why all of us dealers fought with Trane not to sell to the new construction cookie cutter housing companies. And they made deals like straight with Ryan, straight with Meritage Homes, straight with all these other big builders. And sold them equipment and let them use their installers that are just butchers. I mean, look at that. So what the inspector said, and we turned it on, the lady was standing here so I couldn't get any footage, but this sounds like a water pipe full of air bubbles. So the inspector said the line set was making suction noises, was how he worded it. Anyway, we're going to propose to fix all of this. We'll recover the entire charge, evacuate the system, weigh it in accordingly, and then top it off with what it needs. I will also propose to fix these lines. We'll make a tight bend here and come up beside the machine and across to where it's not going to get damaged and, run into or whatever. So we'll see what they say about our report.